As of January 2025, Philippine passport holders can travel to several countries without obtaining a visa prior to arrival. The number of visa-free destinations varies slightly between sources, with some listing 39 countries, Visa Guide, and others up to 67, GMA Network. This discrepancy may be due to differences in classification, such as including visa on arrival or e-visa destinations. Here are some notable visa-free destinations for Filipino travelers. Asia, Brunei, up to 14 days. Cambodia, up to 30 days. Hong Kong, up to 14 days. Indonesia, up to 30 days. Israel, up to 90 days. Kazakhstan, up to 30 days. Laos, up to 30 days. Macau, up to 30 days. Malaysia, up to 30 days. Mongolia, up to 21 days. Myanmar, up to 14 days. Palestinian territories, up to 90 days, but only through Israel. Singapore, up to 30 days. Taiwan, up to 14 days, visa-free entry extended until July 31, 2025. Tajikistan, up to 30 days. Thailand, up to 60 days, visa exemption period extended from 30 to 60 days starting July 15, 2024. Vietnam, up to 21 days. The Americas, Barbados, up to 90 days. Bolivia, up to 90 days. Brazil, up to 90 days. Colombia, up to 90 days. Costa Rica, up to 30 days. Dominica, up to 21 days. Haiti, up to 90 days. Peru, up to 183 days. St. Vincent and the Grenadines, up to 90 days. Suriname, up to 30 days. Oceania, Cook Islands, up to 31 days. Fiji, up to 4 months. Kiribati, up to 90 days. Micronesia, up to 30 days. Ni, up to 30 days. Samoa, up to 60 days. Vanuatu, up to 90 days. Africa, Ivory Coast, Stade d'Ivoire, up to 90 days. Morocco, up to 90 days. Rwanda, up to 90 days. The Gambia, up to 90 days. Please note that visa policies are subject to change. It's advisable to check the latest entry requirements with the embassy or consulate of your destination country before traveling. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.